welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for a healthy, delicious salmon salad. To get started, here are my ingredients. I have 3 salmon fillet. I already washed them and pat them dry. I will be using some lettuce. I have gold and white corn. I'll be using some chickpeas, cucumbers. I have tomatoes and some carrots here. I also will be using an avocado, which I will cut when I'm ready. I have garlic and onion powder, Old Bay seasoning, and black pepper. So to begin, you want to combine all of the seasonings. This will be used to season our salmon. I like to keep it super simple because I don't like over seasoning my seafood. Once we're done, you want to go ahead and generously coat the salmon with some oil. The oil will help to moisturize the salmon as well as help the seasonings to stick, and once we cook it, it will give that salmon a nice golden brown color. Next, you want to generously coat the salmon with the seasonings on both sides. Then you want to let it sit and marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. So today I'll be using my Ninja Foodie grill. I have it preheating on the max setting. We'll be using the grill setting, of course, and we'll cook the salmon for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes per side. So after about 5 minutes, I will now flip the salmon. And guys, this was so challenging for me. I couldn't get the salmon to flip perfectly because, you know, it's so delicate. And you want to take your time to flip it because you want to avoid breaking up the salmon, and this was a struggle. As you can see here, I had to change into my tongs just to try and get it to flip, and it still went ahead and broke anyway. So that happens sometimes. It's all in the game of cooking. So we will allow this now to cook for about 2 minutes. We won't let it go for the full 10 minutes because I could already see that the salmon will be overcooked if I cook it for the full 10 minutes. So we'll cook it for 2 extra minutes, and that's it. Once it's completed, this is what it looks like. I love the grill marks that I achieve on those salmon. Now let's plate up our salad. So in no particular order, you want to go in with your vegetables, add it to your plate. In any order that you like, it really doesn't matter because you have to eat it anyway. I'm just placing mine like this for presentation, but once I'm done, you know, I will dig in and the salad will be all over the plate. But I will place all of my veggies all the way around the dish, and then I will put my salmon right in the middle. Now you can use your favorite salad dressing here. I will not be making a homemade dressing. I will be using the Japanese ginger dressing for this salad because it's one of my favorites and I think it will go well here. Once you're done, add your favorite dressing. I will not be adding a lot right now, just for presentation purposes. Once I get my nice picture and stuff, then I will go in with that dressing and enjoy my salad. This is super healthy, flavorful, and delicious, and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.